facility itself was built specifically to try and help the community and the service industry that surrounds it. My name is Kyle, and I am the general manager down here at Legacy Ford Fernie. Fernie's a really unique place. Definitely has all sorts of different customers. Born and raised Fernie people, for sure. Customers from all over the world that are coming in to experience that record snowfall and the Fernie Mountain Resort. And then you also have your blue-collar workers from the large mining company here in town. I've been in a lot of different towns, grew up in a small town, but Fernie itself is probably one of the best communities I've ever lived in. Anytime we've ever invested in the community, they invest back in us tenfold. Obviously, it's a small town. We want to give you that very personal feel. I want to know more people in the community, have that really family-friendly atmosphere here. I'd love to meet every single one of you. Come on down to Fernie, and can't wait to meet you.